Yes team, welcome to speed walking workout. It's 10 minutes, we're gonna get our heart rate up, we're gonna keep these joints nice and safe and get our steps in. We're gonna start in 3, in 2, 3, 2, 1, it goes down, 1, 2, 1, 2. Welcome to this walk today. Now firstly, I don't want you to be intimidated by the speed. Trust me, you're gonna adjust this in no time, okay? So let's just get your feet moving. Now what we're aiming to do during this walk is we're gonna stay in that fat burning zone, 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. So we're gonna sweat it out there. You've got 10 minutes with me. Let's have some fun. Let's take a few step touches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, if any of these steps get too complicated, I don't want you to worry about it, okay? As long as your feet are moving, you're doing the steps right. That's all that matters. Now I want to spice it up a little bit. We're going to do 4 step touches forward. 1, 2, 4, going back. 1. This is called our bridge step, okay? So this bridge is our movement step. So don't forget this step, we'll come back to this. Okay, this means take it back to marching. 1, 2, perfect. Now if you want to increase calorie burn a little bit, I want you to pick these arms up. I want you to drive your feet into the floor. Speed up a little bit. For the speed walk. Good, breathe in. You should feel your body warming up, right? The tempo we're keeping. Boom, boom, boom. Now give an absolute view. So of course, we're in Dubai here. Shooting on location. Let's take 2 step touches. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now it's really important when you're doing this workout is it's not just about the workout, it's about the nutrition, okay? That's a really important thing. Take a step touches. If your goal is to lose weight, burn some fat, which is most of our goal, right? We've got to nail our nutrition. Luckily, I've got you covered. I've got a free webinar available in the description. Repeat this. Boom. Absolutely free webinar. Everything you need to know to get your results today and maintain for the long term. Completely free, baby. March it out. 1, 2. Woo! Now a lot of us are after a quick fix, right? Who doesn't want the quickest option? But unfortunately, fat loss happens at one rate only. I'm going to teach you exactly how we get those results, okay? All my years of training available to you for free. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and you've got access to it. Okay, just remember, this workout should align with your nutrition. You're going to get those results. Step touching forward. Woo! How are we feeling? See how I just distracted you with all that chat? Smashing nearly 500 steps already. March it out. Boom. See? Baby stepping you through all these steps, okay? We can have some complicated steps as we go on. Marching, step touching, that's all it's about in this first track. Now take your weight a little bit lower. March your hands out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And the great thing is, step touches. This is all low impact. No pressure on your joints. You can do this workout as your main workout. You can do it as a warm-up. Woo! You can do it on your lunch break to break up your day. You can do it to help top up your steps. There's so many levels to this workout you can use it for. From here, take your hands up and go to a little step jab. Boom, ha. Now you notice this little preview in the top corner. It's up to you if you want to use that or not. If it helps you, use it. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. As long as your feet are moving, you're good. From here, you're going to transition to a side punch. Boom. Wonderful. Just changing up your angles. Woo! I'm feeling good today. I hope you're feeling that energy. We're going to do 2 forwards, 2 sides. Feet the same, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, side, side, forward, forward. Good. From here, we're going to do a single knee up in 7 marches. Step, knee. 1, 2, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Now I'm going to do 2 knees. Step, knee, march. 2, 3, 4. Step, knee, 1, 2, 1. And you might not get this the first time, right? But you pick it up next time, do it. Step jabs. Woo! Hey! You might be like, what just happened? Stick with it. You nail this second time, 3rd time, 4th time, 10th time. You might nail it. You might not. Woo! Again, if you're concerned about getting the steps right, your focus is on the wrong thing. Just move. 2 forward, 2 side. Side. Let's put some power in it. Stay in that fat burning zone, baby. Woo! Now what is our fat burning zone? You might have heard that. Our fat burning zone means we're not causing that much stress on the body that we're going to burn our muscles to fuel. But sweating out when burning those calories. Okay, single knee, walk. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, knee, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Step, knee, 3. Now, 2 knees. Step, knee, step, knee. Woo! Good job. Boom, boom. 1. Step, knee. 2. We're going to take it straight back. Step jabs. Boom. Lovely work. Now all these bridges versus choruses have certain steps aligned with them. So we're just repeating, right? Rinse and repeat. Side. First song, marching, step touches forward and back. This one, punches and knees up. Punch it forwards, punch it side. 2, now. Woo! I'm sweating now, I don't know about you, let's go. If you're not, let's put some more energy into these punches. Boom, boom. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, it's free. 65% of you do my workouts aren't subscribed. Do me a favor, help me out. Single knee up, step, knee, march it out. Scandalous, right? 65%. Loving my workouts. All you have to hit that subscribe button, show me some love. Step, knee. Okay, 2 knee up. Step, knee. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna march it out. Boom. Hey! Second track in the bag. Get those feet moving. Knees up. It's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're sweating it out. Step touching out. I'm all about pioneering new workouts, okay? New styles of workout to get you moving. If it gets you moving, we're looking good. Let's triple march it out. 3 marches to a touch. 2, 3, at a touch. 1, 2, 3, at a touch, and 1, 2, 3, at a touch, and. Woo! We're going to do the same step going forwards and back. 4 walks forward, 4 back. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. It sounded scarier than it was, right? Let's get some movement. Working on different planes of movement here. Back to marches. 1, 2. Woo! In the bag, son. Let's go. Breathe it in. Okay. What does this mean? Step touches. Boom. Well done. Okay, into our bridge step. Remember that? 4 step touches forward, 4 step touches back. 2, 3. Take it back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Triple march. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. At a touch down. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And this workout today is much more focused on moving and sweating, right? Nice high tempo. 4 triple marches forward and back. 1, 2, 3, at a touch down. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And the speed we're keeping up today. All in your living room. Watch it out. 2. Breathe it in. Woo! How are we feeling? I told you this speed was intimidating at first, right? But we're cool now, right? We're friends. Let's touch it out. Cool. I like to add my own little style to it. I can't help it. I love the music. Step touching forward. Woo! Hey! Take it back again. 1, 2, 1. Into our triple march. Hey! 1, 2, 3. At a touch and 1. Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm watching you. Triple march, forward, back. 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in future workouts. I want to know. I'm interested. Triple march it out. 2, 3. Woo! Guy, you smashed his workout today. I'm super proud of you. We're going to go straight into the final sprint. Top form, see it? 3, 2, 1. Sprint out to you now. Sprint. 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 Woo! Fast as you can. fast hands, fast feet. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and time. Yes, team, I hope you enjoyed that workout. Now, if you want to add more steps, I want you to click right here to take you straight to another workout, or click right here and go straight to cool down. Now, if you want access to workouts just like that, longer workouts, 5,000, 10,000 set workouts, interval workouts, dumbbell walking workouts, as well as our 6-week Let's Sweat program designed to help you lose weight and get in shape, make sure you take advantage of our 7-day free trial at getfitwithrick.com. Tag me on Instagram, I'll see you in our private Facebook group, and I'll see you at the next workout, baby. Whoosh.